Hi everybody, it's Lynne Forsythe, and I just wanted to show you how I created this beautiful verdigris type of looking ivy. So the first thing I did was I pulled out my UmWow chippy, and this is the small ivy. And then I took out a tub of the antique gold modeling paste, and with a paintbrush I painted on the modeling paste, and I kept it kind of thick. I wanted it lumpy because when I add the Glimmer Glam, I want the Glimmer Glam to go into the low places, but I want the coppery look to show through. So I'm making that a little more lumpy. So as you can see, I'm tapping it on there because I want the ridges and the valleys type thing. I want there to be high points of the modeling paste. So there you have it. Put that in some water, put the cover back on this. And then I took my heat tool to this because I was in a hurry and I needed to get this done, and I didn't really want to wait. As I said in a previous product testing of this, when you heat this, it kind of loses all the drastic points, because what ends up happening is it starts to bubble, and that's actually what I want it to do here. So I've got my heat tool really close to the ivy, and I'm heating it, and you can see places that are already starting to bubble, but I really want this to bubble. We're gonna go bubble hard. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but see how it bubbled. I think that's pretty cool. All right, so it's dry. Now what I want to do is I'm gonna get a pipette, get in here and kind of squiggle around, get some of that glitter up off the bottom. And this is Glimmer Glam Lime Cordial. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of the lime cordial onto the ivy. And now I'm going to take a spritzer of water, kind of let that move around. Oh yeah. See, see how the copper in the high point shows, but the green down in the bottom? And it doesn't take long for the Glimmer Glam to dry. It's really cool because you can see the Glimmer Glam kind of bubbling up too. Absolutely beautiful. So that is how I created the ivy that I used in the back of my 4x4 canvas for Canvas Corp brands. And haha, I didn't have a canvas, so I just tore up a piece of canvas. I didn't have a canvas with wood in it, so I just pulled out a sheet of canvas, tore off a 4x4, and there you have it. So anyways, have a great day. See ya.